In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Create New Tab Group option from Google Chrome. Now, if you've been using Chrome for a while, you might have noticed this feature that allows you to group tabs together. While it's a handy tool for some, it might not be for everyone. Perhaps it's not something you use often, or you simply prefer a tidier appearance. Whatever your reason, I'll guide you through a simple process to disable this option and make your browsing experience tailored just for you. First, we're going to open Google Chrome. Once you have it open, take a look at the upper right-hand corner of your browser window. You'll see the three vertical dots, which is the Chrome menu button. Go ahead and click on those dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is packed with options that allow you to control a variety of Chrome settings, from customizing the appearance to managing privacy settings. In this menu, look for the option labeled Settings. You'll want to click on it. Once you've done this, you'll be directed to the main settings page. It might feel a little overwhelming with all the different options, but don't worry. I'll guide you through the essential parts you need to focus on. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a sidebar with a list of options. Here, you'll want to locate the one that says Appearance. It should be somewhere near the top of the list. Appearance controls how your Chrome browser looks and feels, and it's where we're going to find what we need to change the tab group settings. After clicking on Appearance, you will be looking at a series of settings related to how Chrome is displayed. On the right side of this page, there's a toggle labeled Show Tab Groups in Bookmarks bar. This is the key setting that allows you to control whether the ability to organize tabs into groups is available in Chrome. To disable the tab group function, simply switch this toggle to the off position. By turning this setting off, you remove the option to create new tab groups directly from your Bookmarks bar, providing a cleaner, more streamlined browsing interface. If at any point you decide you'd like to bring back the tab groups, you can easily return to this setting and toggle it back on. That's it. With just a few simple clicks, you've successfully removed the Create New Tab Group option from your Google Chrome display. I hope this makes your browsing experience a bit more convenient and suited to your preferences. Thank you for watching today's tutorial, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips on navigating your digital world.